Hi, my name is Brandy LaBounty, and I'm with Four Seasons Sotheby's International Realty. Today, we're at 74 Whiteman Hill Road, located just outside of Montgomery, Vermont. This artfully designed property includes 27 acres of private trails, an established apple orchard, ponds, and high meadow views of the surrounding mountains. Each detail has been hand-picked with the utmost care, from the antique maple doors to the wood beams and the wide plank floors with square nails. Embrace all of the opportunities this incredible property has to offer, including a partially finished post and beam barn, which could serve as multi-generational living opportunities or investment income. Come see this remarkable property. Contact me today to experience quintessential Vermont living.